ఉదయ్ కిరణ్ ఇప్పుడు యంగ్ అండ్ డైనమిక్ వస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, చంపేస్తాడు స్పీచ్. వినితాకి ఈక్వలెంట్గా పోటీగా ఇస్తాడు. సో మన లెట్ మీ కాల్ ఉదయ్ కిరణ్. గట్టి గోడాలి క్లాప్స్. ఉదయ్ కిరణ్, నువ్వు స్పీచ్ ఇస్తే నువ్వు స్పీచ్ ఇస్తే టాప్ లేచిపోను.
డెఫినెట్లీ సార్.
గట్టిగా ఇవ్వు. నీ గురించి చాలా గొప్పగా చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకి. ఇంకోటి మనోడు మిస్టేక్ ఏంటంటే పీపుల్ ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ అన్న పీపుల్ ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ మిస్ అయ్యింది. మిస్టేక్. రైట్.
So good evening one and all.
Very good evening.
So my name is Uday Kiran. So I am giving today speech on completely airlines and airports. So first I would like to share about like GMT based information. Like GMT stands for Greenwich Mean Time, where India is 5:30 hours added more than Greenwich Mean Time. Means India is plus 5:30 hours, that is Indian Standard Time, or we call Greenwich Mean Time. And the next point would be on GMR Airport. So the main vision is to build entrepreneurial organizations that make a difference to society through creation of value. Business sectors are agribusiness, airports, energy, foundation, sports, highways, urban infrastructure. The project partners are GMR Group, Malaysia Airports Holdings Berhad, Government of Telangana and Airports Authority of India, spread over an area of 5,500 acres at Shamshabad. The airport is 25 km from the city center of Hyderabad. The terminal building spans 105,300 square meter to be designed to handle 12 million passengers per annum, and the cargo section has a capacity of 1 lakh metric tons per annum. In the final phase, the airport will reach its full capacity with a total with floor additional area of 9 lakh square meter. There are 146 check-in counters, 46 immigration counters, 12 aero bridges, 36 aircraft parking stands. The airport has the most sophisticated visual docking guidance system to guide the aircraft automatically into the stands with precision. There are like 10 exit taxiways in Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, out of which 4 of them are vacated at speeds of 160 km per hour, thereby to reduce the runway occupancy time. And the main thing is at 22nd, the airport has the most like aircraft ATC tower we call, that is at a height of 22 floors, which houses the contemporary ATC systems on the 22nd floor. So the airport has the so these are all about the GMR airport. In GMR group we have the mainly 2 airports in India. That is, one is Hyderabad and next one is Delhi. So Delhi is Indira Gandhi International Airport, that is Terminal 1, Terminal 2, Terminal 3. And coming to the terminals, we have 2 types of terminals. One is domestic and international. Domestic means arrivals, departures. Similarly, international departures and arrivals. That is at 2nd floor of Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. So where 3 hours will be check-in will be counters will be closed before 3 hours prior to departure of a flight. Similarly, 1 hour for domestic flights, check-in counters will be closed. So next option is for about Air India. Today Air India is one of the largest regional airline systems in Asia. The airline cares for all categories of passengers. It provides special concessions for senior citizens, armed forces personnel, war widows, cancer patients and bravery award winners. The unique orange and white logo of Air India is one of the most widely recognized brand symbols in India. So in Air India we have both like domestic as well as international. So for international options, we have like counters opened in Jeddah, for Hajj pilgrims to check in directly to 12 Indian destinations. And coming to domestic Air India, Hajj charters operated from different cities of India, launch of popular promotional schemes like Desh Videsh, Golden Edge Club, and popular frequent flyer program also be released by name Flying Returns, that is passengers traveling by Air India flight offer this program, what we call the Flying Returns package. And coming to the next concept, we have like a network expanded with the addition of New York, Newark, New Jersey, Abu Dhabi all cover on AI network. And so the next private airlines, these are Air India is totally like a public sector undertaking under civil aviation of India, and the remaining airlines would be the private airlines. Those include Indigo, Go Air, Air Vistara, SpiceJet, and Jet Airways, Jet Connect. These are all completely, the company was closed. And coming to the international point of airlines, we have like Thai Airways International. So Thai Airways International is from Hyderabad. We have 3 weekly flights from Hyderabad to Bangkok. So the name of the airport in Bangkok is Suvarnabhumi International Airport, where we have 3 hours of flight journey from Hyderabad to Bangkok. And the next flight would be like Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways headquarters located in Doha, that is the state of Qatar. The name of airport, Doha International Airport, is Hamad International Airport, where daily flights from Hyderabad to Doha will be operated. And it would be like 4.5 hours journey from Hyderabad to Doha. And coming to British Airways, we have direct flight from Hyderabad to London Heathrow, as well as London Gatwick, which covers 8 hours of flight journey from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. And from similarly Malaysia Airlines. Malaysia Airlines is one of the largest 5-star Skytrax airline that operates, that is headquarters located at Kuala Lumpur. So the name of the airport is Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and from Kuala Lumpur it operates to Jakarta, Tokyo, Narita International, Penang, Kuching, Denpasar, Bali, Bandar Seri Begawan, Melbourne, Perth. These are all, it is in Australia. So from Kuala Lumpur, the particular airline, Malaysia Airlines, will be operated to different parts of country in the world. So coming to Emirates. So Emirates is one of the largest airline of United Arab Emirates, where from Hyderabad to Dubai daily flights are available. So just like what you would expect from the airline of the year 2001, a warm welcome. Starting 1st July 2001, Emirates begins 8 weekly non-stop services from Hyderabad to Dubai and onwards to over 50 international destinations in Europe, Australia, the Middle East, the Far East, and Australia. Whilst on board, you will enjoy fine wines and with gourmet cuisine. So fly Emirates and treat yourself to the award-winning service from our international cabin crew. That is a small slogan from the Emirates airline, and each airline will have their own respective airline code, like a 2-digit code, and even frequent flyer programs also. So apart from this, we have like different segments, like Saudi Arabian Airlines, that is operating from Hyderabad to Jeddah, Hyderabad to Riyadh via Dammam, Hyderabad to Abu Dhabi is a national airline of the United Arab Emirates. We call Etihad Airways. So that also it will cover 4 hours of a flight journey from Hyderabad to Abu Dhabi. And from Hyderabad to Delhi, we have 5 daily flights presently. That is for Air India. And we have 3 different types of classes in flights. That is first class, business class, and economy class. So in the first class, you would have like well equipped LED TVs with more than 500 movies and games, including some sort of flat beds will be equipped in first class category, and economy class would be the Y class, and J class is business class, where the business people would be traveling from one part to other part in the world.
ఓకే.
So this is completely about the airlines and airports.
సో సో స్పీచ్లెస్ కామెంట్ చేస్తాం. చాలా బాగా అద్భుతంగా చెప్పాడు. ఎయిర్లైన్స్ గురించి మొత్తం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మొత్తం తెలుసు. మాటలేదు, స్పీచ్లెస్ అనమాట. గట్టి క్లాప్స్ కూడా చాలా బాగా చెప్పాడు. డైరీ మిల్క్ ఇస్తున్నా. ఓకే, డైరీ మిల్క్ 2 ఇచ్చాను. వినిత అలాగే, వినిత కూడా బాగా చెప్పింది. మనోడు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఎక్కువ చెప్పాడు. ఓకే, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఎక్కువ చెప్పాడు, చాలా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చెప్పాడు. ఓకే, సూపర్, ఫెంటాస్టిక్. ఓకే, మన ట్రైనింగ్ అలానే ఉంటుంది. గట్టి క్లాప్స్ కొట్టారా? నెక్స్ట్ ఉదయ్ కిరణ్, చాలా బాగా ఇచ్చావు. ఓకే, ఇలానే ఇస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, చాలా బాగుంది. ఒక్క మిస్టేక్, ఏం గ్రామర్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఏదైనా పట్టుకుందామంటే ఎక్కడ దొరకల మనోడు. ఏదైనా గ్రామర్ మిస్టేక్ చేస్తాడా రాద్దాం అంటే చూడు, ఏమీ లేదు. వంశీ ఒకటే చేశాడు, పీపుల్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ అన్నారు, పీపుల్ ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ అంతే. అవి హ్యాడ్ మిస్ చేసింది ఇఫ్ కండిషన్లో. మనోడు ఏది మిస్ చేయాలి? వుడ్, హ్యావ్, హ్యాస్, గ్రామర్ కూడా గ్రామటికల్గా మాట్లాడాడు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా ఎక్కువ చెప్పాడు. ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా ఎక్కువ చెప్పాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు